Let's have a closer look at the Galfer 929 954RR rear brake line for CBR Honda. It's a simple 2-bolt installation. This kit includes hardware, and you use your 14mm socket or your hand wrench. I decided to upgrade my brake fluid to a Motul .5.1 high temp brake fluid. As you can see, I tried spray painting my brake line with gold paint prior to installation, but it didn't seem to work very well. It wasn't very porous enough to stick, so fail. Here's a quick look at my Galfer front brake lines. I used a Good Cook brand turkey baster for this process. Here I used a nifty little bleeder kit, which is made by OEM Tools. It's the themalecs one-man bleeder kit. It makes the brake bleeding process so much simpler and easier, and it only takes one person to do it. I used the 8mm wrench for the bleeder valve on the caliper. This Galfer Performance Stainless Steel brake line eliminates expansion, which results in consistent feel and performance. It doesn't feel spongy and has a real quick response feel. It's constructed of 64 strand brakes, and it also is made with DuPont version grade PTFE inner core. Galfer, founded in 1952, is a major brake supplier for major motorcycles and automakers around the world. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.